Hey everyone, in today's session we're going to talk about how you can boost your teaching in less than 5 minutes with Google's AI tool NotebookLM. A couple comments about myself. I've been working as an educator for over 30 years, and really the last over 15 years I've been focused on helping faculty be better teachers. Alright, so just a quick overview of Google's NotebookLM. It's an AI tool for students and faculty. We're particularly going to discuss the faculty part today. With this tool, you can input PowerPoint slides, articles, and other resources, and the output's amazing. You can get a study guide, quiz questions, a summary document, and audio overview. So let's go and take a look here. Okay, so here I have a PowerPoint file I've already saved as a PDF. We'll talk about that in a moment. I've got basic PowerPoint file a professor might use during in-class lecture, and it's got all the elements of a PowerPoint, got text, graphics, and so forth. And let's say I want a resource that will help me enhance the teaching of this material. So that's where the Google NotebookLM comes in. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so here we go. Head to the website notebooklm.google.com. Welcome to NotebookLM. And here's what I want to do. Oh, notice I am already in this web browser. I'm already logged into my Google account. So if you're the last person on earth without a Google account, you're going to want to go ahead and create one so you can log into Google. And for optimal results, I am using the Chrome web browser. Okay, so let's take a look here. We are going to click here. Let me refresh. All right, this is going to be a test run. I'm going to hit create. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to click add a resource. And again, you can put in PowerPoint slides, articles. For documents, you definitely want to upload those in the PDF format. So if you've got a PowerPoint file, simply save it as a PDF. So I'm going to click here. I've got the presentation saved as a PDF here, so I'm going to select that. Now this part might take a moment. It's going to upload it. All right. Then let's see what we can get here. So it quickly generates a bit of an overview summary of what I have uploaded. So I suggest you want to try this with one of your PowerPoint file that you have that you might use for in-class lecture. So over here, if I hit generate here, it's going to create an audio file. It's pretty amazing where two people are discussing the content of my PowerPoint file. But what I like to do is I like to click on the study guide option here. And now this might take a couple of minutes for it to generate this resource. So we'll just wait a minute here. There it is. Okay, so I got a descriptive statistics and normal distribution study guide. It gives us a practice quiz. Hey, I could use this in class right here. It has the answer key down here. Now, of course, with any artificial intelligence tool, these tools are getting better and better, but you need to read over what is produced and just double check the quality. You might have to fine tune how things are said and maybe correct usually minor points of accuracy. Okay, so now I've got a quiz I could use in class. Let's see what else. Let me go back to, I'm going to click on the studio option here. And what if I want to give a summary document to the students to look at before class? I'm going to click here. All right, it's generating this briefing document. Okay, let me click here. Okay, so here's a briefing document. Now, what I could do is maybe I could copy and paste this to a Microsoft Word document. I could edit it, and I could give this to the students and say, please read this before in-class lecture occurs. And then they'll already have some prior knowledge of what we're going to discuss in class, and then they'll be less likely to get overwhelmed during class time. That's a key point from cognitive load theory. Okay, so Okay, but what if, so let's see here. So now I've got this. Let me go back to the studio. So I got this descriptive statistics. I got this summary document, or they like to call it the briefing document. Also have this study guide, which is really, you might think of that as like a practice quiz, but those are more free response type questions. You could certainly input those into your learning management system. Use that as a formative assessment activity. But I could go over here, start typing. I just want a good old fashioned multiple choice quiz. So I'm going to go over here and type in make a 5-question let's see, multiple choice quiz, and now hit enter, and let's see what it comes up with. Boom. Okay, here we go. So there it is. So I got question 1. Which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? You got options A, B, C, D. Let's see. It did not give me the answers. Let's see here. Let's see if we can try that again. I should know the answer since I made the document here, but let's see if we can have it make a multiple choice. Gotta spell right so it knows what you're saying. Make a multiple choice 5-question quiz with the answer key. Question. All right. Boom. Okay, got it. And then hit go. There we go. Now we've got a quiz, and my second attempt here generated the quiz, and now I've got the answer key. And so I can input this into the learning management system, maybe use it at the start of class to test students' prior knowledge. I could use it in the middle or the end of class to gauge understanding. I can input these questions, or I could even use the questions from the study guide. We could use that, input that into an audience response system. So immediately I've got some resources I can give to students to help them get ready for class. We've got resources I can implement practice questions during class. And so already that in-class lecture time has been enhanced. Okay, so we're just at the tip of the iceberg with this tool and other similar tools, AI tools that are at our disposal to enhance teaching, enhance learning, and hope you found this useful.